By now, you'll have heard about the latest changes that will be happening with your Autodesk account on 16th of September. Now, as you may already know, the only change will be your payment process, which will be a direct transaction with Autodesk going forward. But this makes no change to your partnership with Cadspec as your dedicated solutions advisor. Questions? I thought so. Here's what you need to know. The main change is in your transaction process. You will still receive expert advice and guidance from Cadspec, as well as a quote for all your software and service requirements. However, the final steps from ordering through to payment will now be facilitated in your Autodesk account, which we're happy to guide you through. Of course, nothing will change with our support, training, or consultancy services, and these will continue to be invoiced by Cadspec. Absolutely. The new process will give you a variety of different options of finance and payment solutions for your subscription. And please talk to the team about your options. Now, to purchase Autodesk products after the 16th, you'll need to set up Autodesk as a vendor in your system. The Cadspec team are more than happy to assist with this process. More info on setting up a vendor can also be found on our website. You'll continue to pay Cadspec for any invoice relating to an order before the 16th of September. This includes any annual invoice installments before the go-live date. Our customer success team are always on hand to answer your specific questions and provide more information on the new buying process and anything else you might need help with. Please do get in touch with your account manager or reach out to our customer success team if you have any questions. There's plenty of information on our website, but if you have anything specific, we are always on hand to answer your questions and provide more information on the new buying process and anything else you might need.